Hello, darlings. Welcome back after so long. Today is Diwali, so happy Diwali! But by the time you'll be seeing this, it will be long gone. Anyway, it's a bright and beautiful morning, and I took a stroll to my roof. The sky is pretty, and this is my lemon plant. I list the variety here on the screen so you can have a look. We'll call it Gondhoraj in Bengali, and we are going to make something out of it today. So, for this recipe, we'll need baby leaves from this plant. Try to take the top leaves, not the ones from the bottom. And also beware while plucking, as they have thorns, might prick you. So here I've taken a big mixing bowl and adding up some shredded chicken and some chopped up onions. I chop up my onions beforehand because you don't want to see me cry. Anyway, this is such a quick and easy recipe to serve to your guests. It's unique and specially loved by the kids. I'm also adding some finely chopped ginger, green chillies and garlic. Now if you want to skip the chilies part, you can do that and add in pepper instead. These pakoras are filled with aromas and herbs. So in goes a lot of coriander leaves. And don't throw out the stems. They have a lot of flavor and you don't want them to go to waste. So chop them finely. Now take the lime leaves and roll them out so to thin them slightly. Slice them thinly. Okay. The flavor of this lime is the main element here, and the leaves contain a lot of aroma in them. And for the ones who don't know how a Gondhoraj looks, here it is. It's bigger than any ordinary lime and is oval in shape. Take out the zest of this lime and avoid zesting the white pith. It tastes bitter and can ruin your batter. Later, cut out a portion of the lime and set the rest aside. Now dice some bell peppers and add everything you chopped right now to the bowl and give it a mix. To make the batter, add in 2 eggs or more if you feel necessary, and add some cornstarch. Also add in some salt, and that's almost the 90% of the recipe. After this, there's not much left to do. Shallow fry the fritters in some vegetable oil and serve them hot with some mayonnaise dip. Tastes awesome, be it any time of the day. It goes well in breakfast, lunch and dinner as well as snacks. And some lime juice from the top for that extra kick. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and here's some Diwali blasts for you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.